Today on How to Make Sushi, I'm going to teach you how to make a mixed seafood sushi roll. I love ordering this kind of sushi roll in a restaurant, and now you're going to learn how to make this at home. Let's go. Okay, let's make some butterfly shrimp. Now when you cook shrimp, it curls up. So we're going to take a skewer on the belly side and push it up against the shells all the way across to keep the shrimp straight while I cook it. I'm going to drop it in some water at 80 degrees Celsius, that's 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and you leave it there 2 to 3 minutes until it turns a nice beautiful pink like this. Don't overcook your shrimps, they become tough. Now take the skewer out, take the head off, take the shells off, and then the last little part of the tail, normally you keep that on, but we're going to remove that later for sushi roll since it's going to go inside. Now to butterfly it, you take your knife on the belly side, that's the white side, and you start cutting lightly until you feel a little pop. When you feel pop, you've reached the cavity. It's at about 90% the way through, and that is where the excrements or the poo of the shrimp is. And at this point, you want to stop cutting before you go all the way through. Now, you see the little poo line there? We're going to remove that in a little bit of water, and there you go. You've made butterflied shrimp. Now you can use this in the sushi roll. Let's proceed to do that. Prepare your ingredients so they're the same width as half a sheet of nori. This half a sheet of nori, the shiny side goes down and the rough side up. I'm going to take some cooked and seasoned sushi rice. You can see a link in the description how to make this. And I'm going to spread it out super thinly over about 60% of the sheet. This is going to be a fully loaded sushi roll where it has more fish than rice. And here I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. I've got some plum ones and some dark ones. And I'm going to put a little bit of wasabi. Put some tuna on there, avocado, salmon, chives, and the butterflied shrimp I showed you how to make at the start of this. And I'm going to roll it. So I'm going to pull it over and close and then press. And then pull forwards and push and press. And then pull forwards again and press until the roll's finished. Now, because this is a very small roll, we rolled vertically this time. I'm going to slice off the edges to maximize the amount of beautiful rolls I have. So I'm just taking off a little small millimeter off both sides, just the smallest amount, just to have it nice and pretty on both sides. Once you've done that, cut it in half and then cut it into quarters. Make sure to wipe your knife in between each slice and then re-press it at the end just to make sure if anything moved out of shape. And then at the end here, just add a little bit of salmon roe and some chives and done. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the like button somewhere down there and check out these sushi videos I've made before. That's it. See you in the next one. Goodbye.